Here we go. Easy peasy. Flaps out. She's good. Looks like she's dipping to the nose a little bit. Mosquitoes are out.
Yeah, I kind of noticed that. That's why I put my hat on. You got the shorts on, dude.
Yeah. Funny, I just sprayed my arms, you know, and my neck and everything, and it totally spaced my legs.
You want me to give you a shot while you're standing there?
I'm okay. They haven't found it quite yet. I'm just doing a skeeter dance, that's all. Carl Marvin skeeter dance.
Carl Marvin skeeter dance.
Wide open. Climbs a little bit, not bad.
Well, you don't have any problem seeing it.
No. Other than the white on white, you know.
Those look pretty freaking cool,
Thanks.
Pretty decent.
Yeah, it's flying good.
Not much trim.
Just a couple little clicks, you know, nothing not expected. I thought it was a little bit nose heavy, a little bit of right trim needed, but not bad. It's all no flaps coming in here, so that's pretty easy. That throttle twitch was a mosquito. Landed on my throttle thumb. Yeah. Coming with little flaps this time. Still a little bit of ballooning. I have a trim in there, so.
Not bad. You put
But it seems to be.
at the same time.
It seems to be okay. It's not too bad. It's diving down a little bit now, so I could give it a little bit more up trim. Up elevator. I'm gonna try my high rates out, see how they feel. Actually, am on high rates. Never mind. I'm on high rates and it feels great.
Not quite as twitchy.
I thought the ailerons were a little twitchy. I was like, I should tone that down for low rates, but man, that feels pretty good. Let me see what low rates feel like. Yeah, about what you'd expect. Yeah, that feels about right.
That sounds good, dude. It sounds
No, thanks.
really good.
Yeah. We're idling a little high.
The motor's still fresh, isn't it?
Yeah.
Dude, good job. That looks cool.
It's done. Maiden complete. All right.